Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Already we discussed the Fourier series of odd and even function between the range minus pi to plus pi. Now, there are two ranges. One is from minus pi to plus pi and another one is from 0 to 2 pi. Then how to check it out the odd and even nature of the given function if it is between minus pi to plus pi and if it is between 0 to 2 pi. One thing already we discussed, if it is between minus pi to plus pi, x will be replaced by minus x. Then let us see what happens with this. Okay, let us go with a definition. The function f of x is said to be even if f of 2 pi minus x is equal to f of x. Means what? Previously we used to replace x by minus x. Now we are replacing x by 2 pi minus x, means one complete rotation minus x. For example, if we take cos x as a function, okay, so let us take f of x is equal to cos x. Therefore, after replacing f of 2 pi minus x, which becomes cos of 2 pi minus x, therefore this will be equal to cos of 2 pi minus x as per ASTC rule. This becomes 4 times 90 degrees. So cos remains as cos only, cos x only. Then the question comes, positive or negative? 2 pi means one complete rotation, then stay back here. Yes, therefore as per this ASTC rule, here cos will remain positive. Therefore this is again same as f of x. Therefore always cos x is even function. Fine. Similarly, the function f of x is said to be odd if f of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus f of x. For example, let us take f of x is equal to sin x. Then after replacing x by 2 pi minus x, it becomes sine of 2 pi minus x, which is equal to, you can see 4 times, means sine remains sine only, sine x only. As per ASTC, what happens? One complete rotation minus here. Here the nature of sine will be negative. So this is minus f of x. Therefore sin x is odd function. And here what we are doing? We are replacing x by 2 pi minus x. That we need to keep it in a mind. And again we have few properties. One is, first, the product of both odd or both even function is always even. In other words, the product of an odd and even is always odd. Okay, this is the first property. Then what about second property? Second property says, if integration between 0 to 2a of f of x with respect to x is equal to, it becomes 2 times integration between 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even. Otherwise it will become 0 if f of x is odd. This is already discussed. Okay, here then previously we discussed between minus a to plus a. Here it is 0 to 2a because the range is 0 to 2 pi. Similarly, we have a cases, means we have the Fourier series which is given as f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an into cos nx plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of bn into sin nx. For this we have to calculate a naught, an, bn, we have a formula. A naught is equal to 1 divided by pi integration between 0 to 2 pi. If the range given is 0 to 2 pi, f of x dx, an will be calculated by using 1 by pi integration between 0 to 2 pi into f of x into cos nx dx. Similarly, bn can be calculated by using the formulae 1 by pi into integration from 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. But as per these properties, now we can see what happens. Let us take two cases. One case number 1. If f of x is even, if the given function f of x is even, then what happens? Since f of x, in f of x calculation, it is related to a naught, so a naught becomes, since it is even, because of this condition you can see if f of x is even, this function between 0 to 2 pi becomes 2 times 1 by pi, means 2 by pi, integration between 0 to 2 pi becomes 0 to a f of x dx. Here a is nothing but pi. Okay, and being the product of two functions, in second function we can say f of x into cos nx is required. So f of x into cos nx, if you take, this is what? Here f of x is even and always cos is even, always cos is even function. So even into even will be equal to even. Therefore an can also be calculated by using this formula. So this formula will get modified due to this property. It will be modified as, now it is between 0 to 2 pi, as per this new property it becomes 0 to pi, it will be multiplied by 2. So it becomes 2 divided by pi integration between 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Fine. Next, f of x into sin nx. F of x is even function, sin is odd function. So what property says? Product of an odd and even function is odd. So this is odd. Therefore Pn is equal to 0. Fine. Similarly, we will be taking second case. Case number 2. Here we take f of x is odd. If f of x is odd, then a naught equal to 0 straight away because of this property. If f of x is odd, then it is 0. Then f of x into cos nx. F of x is odd and cos is even. The product of odd and even is odd. Therefore an is equal to 0. Fine. F of x is into sin nx. F of x is odd, sin is odd. Odd into odd will be even. Therefore bn can be calculated by using the relation 2 by pi integration between 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Therefore if the function is odd, Bn can be calculated. These two are directly 0. If the function is even, Bn is 0 and other two can be calculated. This is the procedure. And remaining procedures will remain as usual. Only if the given function is between minus pi to plus pi, x will be replaced by minus x. If the given function is between 0 to 2 pi, x will be replaced by 2 pi minus x. Thank you.